Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an easy dump and go taco soup. We're first going to start off making the ground beef for the taco soup. And y'all, with the seasonings, y'all know I do not measure seasoning. I just measure to the heart. Where whatever I feel like is enough, that's when I stop seasoning. So we're going to use some black pepper, some seasoning salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some salt. So season to your taste buds as much as you would like, as much as your family like. You know, your family is eating it, I'm not, so I just season to the heart. Okay, so once you have everything added, I go in and mix it all together, and that's when I'm gonna let it sit on the stove, you know, constantly stirring it, of course, until it cooks till it's all the way brown, no pink at all. So as y'all can see, it does accumulate a lot of grease. So make sure you drain your grease before adding it in your crock pot. As you can see, I did here. Just make sure you drain. You don't want all that grease on you. So once I go in and add the ground beef to the crock pot, I'm going to go in and add some taco seasoning. And I only use 1 pack of taco seasoning because I only use 1 pound of ground beef. So if you have 2 pounds of ground beef, use 2 packs, of course. Then I went in and added some ranch seasoning. I only added 1 pack of this as well. Now it's time to add your vegetables. I added 1 can of corn. I did drain some of the water out as well. I added 1 can of petite tomatoes, and I added 1 can of kidney beans. I did rinse these off before adding those. Then I'm going to go in and add 1 can of chili beans. Then I went in and added 1 can of diced green chilies. Remember, when it comes to taco soup, y'all can add whatever vegetables, whatever beans you would like. And yeah, it's up to you. So after I added the last of the vegetables, I went in and added 1 can of water. You can use chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you prefer, but I only use 1 can of water. And then I just went in and gave everything a good stir. And y'all, I almost forgot to add my seasonings in here. Y'all know me. Y'all know I season every single thing. So once I get done stirring this up, I did go in and add onion powder and garlic powder. So yes, so you can add whatever additional seasonings at the end that you would like. Just make sure you taste it before adding it. And also remember, this is a soup, so it's really up to you to determine how much water, chicken broth, beef broth that you would like to add in your soup. So yes, it can be as soupy as you would like it. It's up to you if you want to put 2 cans of water, 2 cups of beef broth, chicken broth. It's all up to you. And I did put my crock pot on high for 45 minutes to an hour. It really is up to you on how long you want to let it sit for. But I just did on high for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And this is how it came out. And it was so yummy, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And oh, I did eat my taco soup with some oyster crackers, or sometimes I use Doritos as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed.